Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Taking a quick look here again at Avalanche, seeing what's going on. It is avalanching on its way down here, and mainly because Bitcoin's pulling back. You got to understand that minor correction from Bitcoin is going to be a pretty big knee-jerk reaction from a lot of coins here today, just because Bitcoin dominance is still up. Okay, so please recognize that. That's generally where we're at right now. And what we're going to do is look at some quick backend data, kind of understand what's going on here. And obviously, if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something today. I love to teach people to trade. CryptoCash.tech is a site. Link down below if you want to join our Trade Signals Academy and or community. Phenomenal group, though. Thanks again to my community for just being an awesome part of my life. Greatly appreciate you guys. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look here at the backend data. Nothing too amazing. In fact, this hasn't changed much at all. We got a slightly heavier concentration at $43 for liquidation, basically just implying that a lot of shorts are entering the market now. We also got some previous longs at about 35 to 36. So 35 to 36 and 43 is that range. So if we look here, 35 to 36 is right down here, and then 43 is right here. Right there, that previous resistance, that's roughly a previous one-day candlestick close. We still have yet to close above that level on the daily. Okay, so again, that's generally the range that we're in right now here. So we will see here soon what's going to happen. But on the daily time frame, once more, we got a candlestick closure there at about right about 40. The highest point is 42.25. Okay, so we haven't closed above 42.25. So once again, 43 is that strong resistance level. We wicked up to about the $42 range last night. And of course, price pullback. That to me is one of those fake thumps we're seeing from Bitcoin. So again, I don't see a problem considering a short position at this point for some altcoins, just based on the way that the market's responding. Bitcoin does look like it's on the edge of disaster. And if that is the case, a lot of alts could get hit. So just be mindful, be ready for that. Adjust your stop losses higher so you take profit while you can, and try not to be super greedy in this market right now. It's just not appropriate at this point when we're kind of at this retracement scenario for Bitcoin. Okay, it's due for a correction. It makes perfect sense. So don't be surprised if it happens. All right, so taking a look here at the moving averages, we've been underneath the 20 for a while now. Talked about that yesterday being disadvantageous. That's holding us within the price action there, or below that resistance level. Again, 42 to 43, strong resistance. We take a look at the money flow index. This is starting to kind of plateau. RSI is down under 50 again. Stochastic is swinging down. Those are all bearish signs. Couple that with a MACD that's diverging. Not a fantastic look for Avalanche. Okay, so again, definitely not great. We are maintaining above the 50, but that's very, very premature. So we do not even want to consider that to be a support yet. But once again, notoriously, that is a helpful tool, understanding if you're on the right side of the tracks or not. To me, being under the 20 here leads me to believe that we're still going to see some kind of downside. This is one of those, lower low situations here, and I don't really love it. Okay, so just be careful. I'm not saying you should go heavy on the shorts, but I'm saying that you probably have a little bit more luck with shorting some alts here today, just based on how Bitcoin's behaving. Okay. And my analysis with Bitcoin today, honestly, it still looks pretty bullish, but I still just feel like this is one of those sneaky little things from Bitcoin where they get you to buy in at a higher price and they drop the price action. Okay, again, tons of liquidity at the lower 40,500 range for Bitcoin. Leads me to believe we're going to see a liquidity sweep. That said, Avalanche could follow suit. Okay, now again, are we going to see $35, $36 from Avalanche? Maybe, maybe not. There's a possibility that we got to be prepared for it. There is lower liquidity levels there, of course, as we just discussed, between 36 and 35. That having been said, what's the 4-hour time frame tell us? Well, so far it's mostly bearish and it's not great. Okay. Quickly to note here as well on the hourly. Let's just go ahead and double check this. We broke above the cloud, or we were within the cloud, was it? Let me see. I think I said to wait to take a trade because it wasn't fully confirmed yet. There we go. This is an example of how you can get that rejection off key level resistances, but also how the price action will consistently reject out of the cloud. And all the more reason why you wait for confirmation. See, some folks will see, oh, we broke above the cloud here. We're good to go. We're going to do it for a long position, hard and fast. No, that's why you wait 3 to 4 hours for confirmation. I know it's tough. It's very difficult to wait. I know those are fighting words for a lot of folks, but I can tell you patience is your best friend when trading, and it's highly recommended that you exercise that. That having been said, conversion line still above the baseline. We have good momentum to the upside, but the lagging spans intersecting with the price action as we speak. So those are all disadvantageous situations here for us. Not a great look here for Avalanche. Okay. Again, the hourly's not looking great. Let me quickly just note and see where our day trading bot is looking at here. We just opened a short for Solana 20 minutes ago, got 6% there. And it does look like all of our other shorts here are in play. We got a Matic short as well. Previously took some profits on a Bitcoin or BNB long yesterday. Okay, so again, interesting stuff, the way the market's moving right now. But at this point, the way the Bitcoin's pulling back, it does look like we're still moving down. That having been said, again, patience is key. We do not just take a short position because the price is dropping. We take a short position based on confirmation, correct? Okay, well, we're looking for a conversion line below the baseline. We're looking for the lagging span to be free and clear. And we're also looking for the price action to be in a similar scenario here, okay? Once those things occur, this is when we take entry, not before. I know it's tough because you're looking at it right now. Well, why don't I short right now? Because it's going to go there anyways. No, that's not how it works. You short with confirmation, or you take a long position with confirmation. That's why my success rate is extremely high, because I wait for confirmation. It'll bug the heck out of some people too. Like 2 or 3 days without a signal. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. That's a tough thing to deal with, but you got to recognize I have a lot of traders underneath me, and even if I didn't, I still have to wait for confirmation. It's just kind of in me now. After 20 years of trading, I can tell you, you just got to be patient. Anyways, you want to see our results, go ahead and check out our Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. So far this month, we've booked 2,666, that's hard to say, profit so far this month, with 97% average and approximately 90% profit per trade. So again, really good results here so far for the year, or rather the month, that is this month, and looking to finish off the year strong. If you want to finish off the year strong, make sure you use the link down below to register for this phenomenal exchange. No KYC, no VPN, $5,500 in benefit rewards. This should be only available until the end of the year, if I'm not mistaken. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. I hope to work with you soon. Have a good rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.